Okay, we want to solve this equation right here. I mean, we just want to find x. Seems like a simple thing. I mean, go ahead, go do it yourself then. That's what I would say. I don't think it's that simple. X minus 1, that's the part that gets confusing because we have a square here and we don't have 1 here. Right? And reality is you could FOIL this out and it could get kind of big. But what you should try to envision this as right now, try to envision it as a polynomial as itself. What I mean by that is let's call this a squared minus 2a minus 3. And then now look at that. Okay, what do we see? We can see that a minus, does this work out? Let's think. Minus 1, no, plus 1, a minus 3. Right? And let's check. So we get a squared plus a minus 3a minus 3. Okay, yeah, so that does work. So a is equal to -1, right? A is equal to 3. And if you are confused by how I got these, let me show you in a second. Let's go right here. So we want this to equal to 0, right? So we could divide this guy out, and then we could just focus on a plus 1 equals 0, and then same thing, vice versa. We could divide this guy out, and we could just focus on this guy. We get a minus 3 equals 0. And then you'd see that a is equal to -1. You'd see that a is equal to 3. So if you're confused about how I get that, right, there you go. Okay, so a is equal to -1, a is equal to 3, but what was a equal to in general? A was equal to x minus 1. So a is equal to x minus 1, but in this case a is also equal to -1. So let's just focus on that. So what is that? It's x is equal to -1, right? X is equal to -1 plus 1, which is 0. Okay, we found one of the x's. Okay, how about this other one? A is equal to, again, x minus 1, but it's also equal to 3. And what is this? Okay, let's just focus on this now. So x minus 1, x is equal to 3 plus 1, which is 4. So we know that x is equal to 0 and 4. There we go. So substitution in Algebra 2, why not, right? Try to look at this whole thing as a simpler polynomial if you can. And a lot of times the substitution is a very powerful trick. You just have to remember to convert back at the end.